Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to fix Bluetooth not showing in device manager on Windows 11. Let me show you how to do that. Yes, from my laptop or desktop I would like to connect any types of Bluetooth device in my laptop or desktop. The Bluetooth will not work properly, means I'm not able to connect. What I have to do here? So first and foremost you need to connect the Bluetooth device. So where the Bluetooth device will be stored in your laptop or desktop, just go to start menu and just right click on that. You will find an option called a device manager. So the device manager will have all types of devices will be stored in there. So just click the device manager. Once you click a device manager, there will be a pop-up will be open. So all the device managers, for example Bluetooth, wireless, network, speakers, everything will be stored in the device manager box. That is Windows 11 as a particular device manager option. That is what you are seeing. So device manager option over here. So here there will be a Bluetooth icons stores will be there. So everything will be displayed over here as you see here. So there are batteries and Bluetooth, biometrics, camera, everything will be there in the device manager. So now I'm not able to view my Bluetooth device. So what I have to do here? So first and foremost you need to install the Bluetooth driver properly in your laptop or desktop. To download the Intel driver, just go to Chrome browser and just type intel.com. so I have given the description link. Just click the link. That link will direct you to the intel.com official site. You can download drivers and softwares over here. So this is the official website. Just scroll down, you will get a wireless, that is Bluetooth and everything. Just hit the button wireless. It will direct you into the another link, that is intel.com official Bluetooth drivers. Everything will be stored over here. So here you can find out what types of Bluetooth drivers you want for your operating system. So here just scroll down, you will have a wireless Bluetooth, everything will be there. Just scroll down, you will have a filter of operating system. For example, if you're using Windows 10 or 11 or Windows 7, you can choose according to your need. I'm using Windows 11, so that I have chosen the checkbox is Windows 11. Yes, in the right hand side I'll find the option called download BT, that is Bluetooth device for Windows 10 and 11. I just click here the exe file. So once I click, automatically my application will be downloaded. Just click accept the license agreement and download the applications. So automatically that application will be downloaded manually. So your download will be begin automatically if it does start the download manually option also you can give. So it automatically download in your laptop. The application is downloaded successfully as you see here. So my application is downloaded. Just double click on that. Automatically it will install in your laptop or desktop, so that I can able to use my Bluetooth drivers to connect with my laptop and desktop. Yes, do you want to allow this app to change your devices? Yes, I just want to change and install in my update in my Bluetooth, so that your Bluetooth is not connecting properly, your Bluetooth is not showing device managers not at this point. So you can have, so are you sure you want to upgrade your things? Yes, I want to upgrade this event because the Intel is up to date wireless Bluetooth installation. Just click the next option to install the application, so that it will be easy to connect your Bluetooth drivers into your laptop, so that you can able to install proper Bluetooth drivers from the official site, so that you can connect your Bluetooth wireless networks options. Yes, just click the next option. So just accept this terms and license. Just click the next option. So typical, custom and complete. I just want to install complete Bluetooth drivers in my things, and just click install. So automatically your Intel Bluetooth wireless Bluetooth driver will be installed in your laptop and desktop. That why you can able to connect easily your Bluetooth drivers in your laptop and desktop. Yes, as you see here, so my complete wireless Bluetooth is installed successfully. Just click finish option. Once you finish option, then just go to device manager. So you will find your Bluetooth drivers will be connected properly with the AirPods, and everything will be working properly. Now you just restart your system and open and connect your Bluetooth and enjoy your software with the songs or any types of things you can connect with the Bluetooth option as you see here. So use this and connect your Bluetooth and enjoy your work experience. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe to my Havoc channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.